I'm Audrey from the Eden Prairie Teen Tech Squad, and today I'm going to show you how to make a biodegradable flower pot out of newspaper.
Spring is upon us now, which means it's a great time to start a garden. These flower pots are great for growing seeds because newspaper is biodegradable. That means that things like bacteria and fungi can break down the newspaper into its most basic elements and integrate it back into the earth without any toxicity. So when your plants are big enough, you can just plant the entire pot into the ground without any fuss. Congrats! You've just completed your first fully biodegradable newspaper flower pot. Fun fact, if you were concerned about the ink being bad for the environment, most newspapers actually print using soy ink, which has no harmful toxins. Now, growing your own seeds is a complicated process, but fortunately there are a ton of tips and resources on the internet that you can use if you're just starting out. I would recommend beginners try tomatoes or marigolds since they're not as picky or delicate compared to a lot of plants. Seedlings need a lot of attention, good sunlight, consistent watering and feeding, and also a lot of love. Now is a great time to start a garden. I would recommend doing some research, looking into the needs of the plants that you want to be growing, and just going for it. There's really no time like the present.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to learn more about the science of biodegradability, or if you want some more tips on how to grow your own seedlings, I'll be posting links with additional information down in the description. If you want to learn more about the Teen Tech Squad program as a whole, I'll also be posting those links down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and stay healthy. Bye!